3 common saving mistakes na ginagawa ng karamihan. Yung akala mong nakaipon ka na, pero bakit nauubos pa rin? Ganito ka rin ba? You finally save a bit, yung pakiramdam mong naka-jackpot ka na, pero pagdating ng bills, ng kuryente, tubig, groceries, nagbayad ka ng tuition fee o kaya naman nagkasakit, goodbye ipon, you feel like you're saving, but somehow it keeps slipping away. Nakaka-frustrate, di ba? Lagi mong sinisisi, maliit na sahod, mataas na bilihin, pero minsan, it's how we save, not how much. Kaya kahit anong tipid mo, parang laging kulang. Nakaka-guilty at nakaka-drain. Pero don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa. Here are the 3 saving mistakes na baka ginagawa mo rin. Number 1, short-term mindset. Lagi lang nakafocus sa pangbayad next month. Pero ang totoong savings, pang long-term. Number 2, walang system. Nag-iipon lang kung may extra. Pero dapat, every time na may income or sweldo, automatic na yon may nakatabi na bago yung panggastos. Number 3, lifestyle creep. Ito yung habang lumalaki yung kita mo, lumalaki rin yung gastos mo. Dapat, kita lang yung tumataas, hindi kasama yung gastos. Ang good news, kaya mo tong ayusin. Start small, build habits, and watch your savings grow. Relate ka ba dito? O natamaan ka ba? Comment down below.
Grab your free chapters of the ebook The Parachute Plan. Why life insurance is your soft landing in hard times. Just go to tiny.cc/theparachuteplan. Sign up and I'll send it straight to your inbox.